Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're hitting the road with the top 5 best dash cams of 2024, ensuring you have an extra set of eyes on the road at all times. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend explorer, these dash cams are your silent co-pilot, capturing every moment of your journey. Check out the links in the description to find the perfect dash cam for your driving needs. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of dash cams and discover the ultimate driving companions. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little powerhouse packs a punch when it comes to recording your drive. With its discreet design and high-quality video capture, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 ensures you never miss a moment on the road. Plus, its easy-to-use interface and reliable performance make it a must-have for any driver looking for peace of mind behind the wheel. The Garmin 010-02504-00 Dashcam Mini 2. The discreet yet powerful dash camera that keeps a vigilant eye on your vehicle at all times. Designed to be as compact as a car key, this tiny dash cam mounts discreetly behind your rearview mirror, virtually unnoticed, while automatically recording and saving video of any incidents on the road. Equipped with a wide 140-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, the Dashcam Mini 2 captures crisp 1080p video day and night, ensuring you never miss important details, no matter the lighting conditions. But that's not all. With voice control functionality available in multiple languages including English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish, you can use spoken commands to save video, start/stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more, all with the sound of your voice. Thanks to its Wi-Fi connectivity, saved videos are automatically uploaded to the secure online vault, allowing you to view and share them later with ease. Plus, the parking guard feature, accessible via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone, monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if an incident is detected, providing extra peace of mind. And when you're away from your parked car, you can access the camera remotely for live view monitoring via the Garmin Drive app, allowing you to keep an eye on your vehicle from anywhere. With the Garmin Drive app, you can even view video feeds from up to 4 dash cams simultaneously, giving you unparalleled awareness around your vehicle. Stay protected and connected on the road with the Garmin 010-02504-00 Dashcam Mini 2, your reliable companion for every journey. Coming in at number 4, we have the 70mm A800S Dashcam. Get ready to take your road trip adventures to the next level with this feature-packed dashcam. With its advanced technology and intelligent features, the 70mm A800S delivers crisp and clear footage, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're capturing scenic drives or unexpected moments on the road, this dashcam has you covered. The 70mm True 4K Dashcam A800S, the ultimate driving companion that offers unparalleled protection and peace of mind on the road. With its cutting-edge features and advanced technology, the A800S sets a new standard for dashcams, ensuring that you capture every moment with clarity and precision. Featuring an excellent 4K Ultra HD dual camera system, the A800S allows you to record both the road ahead and behind you simultaneously, providing you with a comprehensive view of your surroundings. With the 70x1080p RC06 rear camera, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you have an extra pair of eyes on the road. Experience powerful night vision like never before with the A800S. Equipped with 3D DNR technology and a full 7-glass/f1.8 aperture lens, this dash cam delivers exceptional low-light performance, minimizing image noise and ensuring clear footage day or night, rain or shine. With 24-hour parking surveillance, the A800S keeps a watchful eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects sudden shakes or collisions and starts recording, providing critical evidence for every important moment. Plus, with the 70my app, you can receive notifications and check event footage directly on your smartphone. Stay safe on the road with the Advanced Driving Assistance System ADAS, featured in the A800S. Detecting your surroundings in real time, ADAS provides voice alerts to warn you of safety problems, such as lane drifting or forward collisions, helping you drive with confidence and peace of mind. Equipped with built-in GPS, the A800S monitors and displays real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. In the event of an accident, the GPS tracking feature tracks the exact location, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. With seamless loop recording, the A800S ensures that you never miss a moment. The dashcam overwrites the oldest videos with new content when the SD card is full, allowing for continuous recording. Plus, with in-app control and footage sharing, you can easily view, download, and share videos via Wi-Fi hotspot connection, making the claims process more efficient and hassle-free. Protect yourself and your vehicle with the 70My True 4K Dashcam A800S, your reliable companion for every journey. Taking the number 3 spot is the Vantrue N5. Say hello to versatility with this innovative dashcam that offers both front and interior recording capabilities. Perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants to keep an eye on the inside of their vehicle, the Vantrue N5 ensures comprehensive coverage from every angle. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, this dashcam is a game-changer for road safety. The Vantrue N5 4-channel Wi-Fi 360 degrees all-sides dashcam, your ultimate driving companion for unmatched safety and security on the road. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the Vantrue N5 redefines what a dashcam can do, offering unparalleled protection and peace of mind for you and your vehicle. With its innovative 4-channel 360 degrees wide-angle recording, the Vantrue N5 captures every angle of your car, including the front, rear, cab, and sides, simultaneously. This groundbreaking technology ensures that you have complete coverage of your vehicle without any blind spots, providing you with 4x protection and ultimate peace of mind. Plus, with a maximum resolution of 2.7K 1944p on the front camera and 1080p on the other 3 cameras, the N5 delivers crystal-clear footage that captures every detail of your journey. The Vantrue N5 is equipped with the industry's first rear cabin camera, allowing you to monitor the complete area of your trunk, back seat, and side windows. Whether you're keeping an eye on your kids or pets in the back seat or monitoring your belongings in the trunk, the rear cabin camera provides added security and peace of mind, making it the perfect solution for families and commercial fleet drivers alike. Featuring Sony Starvis 2 night vision technology, the Vantrue N5 delivers exceptional performance in low-light conditions, capturing high-speed objects, including license plates, clearly even in the dark. With infrared lights on the front inside and rear inside cameras, the N5 records crisp cabin images, greatly improving nighttime driving safety. Stay connected and informed with the Vantrue N5's 5G Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities. With 4x faster transfer speeds and more accurate positioning, you can adjust settings, preview, edit, and share footage via the free Vantrue app. Plus, with OTA upgrade, you can easily update firmware directly from the app, ensuring that your dashcam is always up to date. With 24 hours buffered parking mode, the Vantrue N5 automatically switches to parking mode when your car is off, recording anything suspicious around your vehicle when triggered by movement or collision. Supported by buffered motion detection, the N5 captures the whole event with all necessary details, providing vital evidence in case of accidents or break-ins. Experience the ultimate convenience with smart voice control, allowing you to control the N5 with simple voice commands in multiple languages. Plus, with its easy-to-detach magnetic mount, you can remove the camera from the mount easily without messing with cables, making it effortless to use and operate. With loop recording, variable sensitivity G-sensor, and supercapacitor technology, the Vantrue N5 is a reliable witness for accidents, ensuring that you always have clear and accurate footage when you need it most. Built to withstand extreme temperatures and conditions, the N5 is your trusted companion for safe and secure driving, no matter where the road takes you. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Garmin Dashcam 67W. Get ready to capture the big picture with this wide-angle dashcam that offers stunning 4K resolution. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, the Garmin Dashcam 67W provides crystal-clear footage that leaves no detail unnoticed. With its built-in GPS and advanced driver assistance features, this dashcam is your ultimate driving companion. The Garmin 010-02505-05 Dashcam 67W, your discreet and reliable eyewitness on the road. This pocket-sized dash camera may be small, but it packs a punch when it comes to capturing crisp HD video and providing essential safety features for your journey. Designed to go virtually unnoticed on your windshield, the Garmin Dashcam 67W automatically records and saves video of incidents with GPS location, date, and time. With its extra-wide 180-degree lens, it captures more of the environment, ensuring that every detail is captured in stunning clarity, day or night. thanks to Garmin Clarity HDR optics. Take control with voice commands available in multiple languages, including English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. Whether you need to save video, start or stop audio recording, or take still pictures, voice control makes it easy to operate the dash cam without taking your hands off the wheel. Stay connected and informed with the Garmin Dash Cam 67W's Wi-Fi connectivity. Saved videos automatically upload to the secure online vault, allowing you to view and share footage later. Plus, with the parking guard feature, you can monitor activity around your parked vehicle and receive alerts if an incident is detected, providing added security and peace of mind. With driver alerts such as forward collision, lane departure, and speed camera warnings, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W helps encourage safer driving and increase situational awareness. Please note that certain conditions may impair the warning function, and red light and speed camera warnings are not available in all regions. Access the camera remotely for live view monitoring via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone, providing added convenience and security when you're away from your parked car. Compact, discreet, and packed with advanced features, the Garmin 010-02505-05-Cam 67W is your trusted companion on the road, ensuring that you have clear and reliable footage in case of any incidents or emergencies. And finally, claiming the coveted #1 spot is the Nextbase 622GW dash cam. Get ready to experience the future of dash cams with this cutting-edge device that boasts 4K recording, Alexa integration, and revolutionary safety features. From its sleek design to its seamless connectivity, the Nextbase 622GW redefines what a dash cam can do. Whether you're capturing breathtaking scenery or unexpected incidents on the road, this dash cam ensures you're always one step ahead. The Nextbase 622GW front and rear dash cam, setting the standard for ultra-high-definition recording and advanced features to ensure your safety and peace of mind on the road. With true 4K recording capability, the 622GW captures every detail with unparalleled clarity. Whether you're trying to make out finer details or capture crucial information like license plates, 4K recording quality ensures that nothing escapes your attention. Plus, with the rear camera module recording at 1080p, you'll have comprehensive coverage from multiple angles. Experience smooth and steady footage thanks to the innovative image stabilization system. Say goodbye to shaky videos caused by vibrations and bumps in the road. The 622GW delivers steady playback, making it easier than ever to discern important details, even in challenging conditions. Enjoy lightning-fast transfer speeds with dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. With the 5 GHz Wi-Fi feature, you can download footage to your phone quicker than ever before, ensuring you have access to critical footage when you need it most. Navigate through foggy conditions with ease using the defogging feature, a crucial tool for enhancing visibility and identifying vehicles and license plates in adverse weather conditions. The 622GW is the only dash cam equipped with this essential feature, providing added safety and security on the road. Capture every moment in stunning detail with super slow motion playback at 1080p and 120 frames per second. Ideal for analyzing incidents and capturing vital details, such as license plates, super slow motion ensures that you have the evidence you need to prove fault and protect yourself in case of an accident. With its sleek design, advanced features, and unmatched recording quality, the Nextbase 622GW front and rear dash cam is your trusted companion for every journey, ensuring that you have clear and reliable footage in any situation. There you have it, the top 5 best dash cams of 2024. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or a rideshare driver, these dash cams offer unparalleled performance and peace of mind on the road. Check out the links in the description to find the perfect dash cam for your driving needs. Until next time, drive safe and may your journeys be filled with adventure.